already. Or Christmas is done.
So they are
Trying to keep
12.
Christmas hours. January or February. Which one of them
What's
do?
wrong with you? And 25th of December, Christmas, God born.
Listen me now. God not born from Christmas Day. Them find
Jerry
God
has
from
speak for
Christmas
me.
Day. I bet nobody tell you in Nigeria. God, them find God from Christmas Day. God not born from Christmas Day.
Yeah,
Then where you
man.
have Easter for.
The people back.
At Easter them born.
The Easter them kill him.
Them find
The
him.
Easter them kill him.
Listen now. Them find him on December. But nobody tell you about the Pope. I tell you them sitting there.
People must have to eat too fast.
The one them Herod.
They don't let them
Herod.
do them sitting there. Them do it.
I think it's a Jew. The Jew. Herod. Bombo. I'm here to watch here come. I'm kill baby.
Jerry has speak for me now. Sure.
Herod.
Stop talking and eat. Eat. Before you choke, stop talking and
Are you
eat.
wicked, man?
I said stop talking and eat.
Stop dictate to me. I don't have people dictate to me, you know. Oh. That's why they can't turn president and prime minister. I mean, dictate
Stop
to me.
talking and eat, I say.
Herod! The man so wicked. How can you kill your 2 wives, your 3 sons, your mother-in-law, and your best friend? Drown them. And rule with violence. Herod.
In the ear, I say?
Talk to me, no, man. Because you don't know nothing, you know. You don't know nothing. You don't know where you come from.
I understand what you say. But I ask them know why you choke.
Are you about this?
You start real, Jerry.
Start for me.
You don't want your show up. That will happen.
That would happen, Jerry. Stop talking and eat.
You remember this will happen.
Alright, Jerry. Eat and don't talk. Please.
Focus and eat.
Look up on eating.
Yeah.
I'm mad. Sometimes I remember to eat. I eat for.
Eat and eat. You eat now?
Man shall not live by bread alone,
Mr. Stop talk. Watch him out. Watch them.
but by every word
Sacrifice your food, yeah.
that is spoken out of the mouth of
So
the
stop
Almighty.
talking.
Me not the Bible alone. Hey, some people they in Syria, Ross. You know how long them not eat. If you hear what I'm to the people them in Syria, you cry like a baby. Alright, turn our best friend. You know when you have a kid,
Hold on. Eat
What?
food with him out there, Shark.
you told me.
Eat the food.
Told me the man will look away.
Eat the food out there, out now?
You know what you hear about Syria?
I understand, but eat the food out there more than you
I don't
talk.
like more food in them. I don't want no food. If you have
I just have to eat the food out there more.
I don't eat, stop it. I don't want no more. One more business no food. Fuck up on me.
Jerry, stop it now, Jerry.
Me I help him, I don't want me help
You
him.
know which part you live? Heaven. And heaven you live in?
Eat, take the food out there
Make
more, because
them.
you spit for me. Eat the food out there more now.
I was in that food and junk food you eat in a cook. A junk food you eat in. You cook.
So ask me if
Which
you
part
want.
that you cook? You have time to cook.
After me. Let me never have time for cooking.
But you get time to cook. You need a helper.
I mean, cook
You never
them.
get rich, you know. How about that box there?
Yeah?
What? You cannot cook that. A back with the bypass.
Let me make you and cook this.
Stop telling that lie. Stop. You Christian and you tell lie.
Jerry, stop saying I'm a Christian. Stop something to me.
So we are going to church if you're not Christian.
What wrong with
Christian go to
church?
church.
What wrong with church?
Christian go to church.
Sunday me I go to church.
Me,
Yeah?
Jerry and a
The church can't
and a
manage
Christian and those God church. All unbelievers. Really.
me know about them. You know.
Me I go into church Sunday.
I will go by the church. I'm going to do boogaloo, the funky.
Jerry,
Shake
stop
a leg.
spit for me now.
It's the pay for real, you know.
Don't
Hey,
put Jerry in a man.
you think the church have a revival, no rave? Can you rave in the church?
Let up there. Scripture though.
Thanks.
They march and jump up. Yeah, Shana. Hey, me going to eat that church. I'm going to revive it. The church a revival?
No.
Revival and rave. But then let them come to church. I go and do the shingaling, the boogaloo, the
So me I
funky.
cook Sunday and
We are getting
me I
to
got
go
have
to
a
church.
dinner. Me I get up early and cook. And me I bring a dinner come and we I go to church. Saying on the
Me never want to go sit down in them. Me want them to put me know God already in them. Me no want to me make the man pray to me. Me know God for me a baby. My heart is about God. My mother, me know God for me. Me say, Mama, who met me? Where I come from? She say, God. And them people there with the third generation, they can't chat to them too. Alright, me don't know some power. Mama, where I come from? Me don't know what the father come. Me don't see father yet. Who where I come from? They say, God make you. Me say, yeah.
Colonel, you
My
father?
man, and when me get big, when me about now me 30 yard,
So-
40 yard,
So people man, your mother breed for?
you about half dozen stepfather.
I never ask them. I ask if people man, your mother breed for.
Yeah. And no man them kill some of the picking them. Yeah, kill them with
So
voodoo.
your father, your mother take people man and breed for them.
She never know.
Yeah, me
And the
never
woman
know.
them kill the picking them and them ban. Jamaica black people them a voodoo war their work. Kill a little brother like this. He up and come and blow up on them and suck up him breath and kill me little boy. My one little brother like him brown.
It's nice though.
But in the days, you see, in Jamaica, them blood clot, yeah. I pay voodoo and Obia, man. You pick the pass commandant and that mad.
Yeah, man, Jerry. True, Jerry.
Back in the days,
Yes, that's true.
Jamaican people are
True, Jerry.
Obia worker.
True.
Them new science, them a fight with science.
Yeah, man.
And them one of them, what is it? Cheers, man. But in the days, the third generation, in the second
And
generation.
Jaden,
I can't say
Jaden look like him there now one match.
Oh, you, not me.
No, I never said Jerry.
Yeah, you go out there, match. Let me sponsor much.
It's a long time witchcraft there.
Long holy pie.
How are they? From in the after. Them come out with Ungu Malungu man one baba. And them and the British, them and Europeans sit there and yet still. A fight with science and
Then
war.
it is they are same way, Jerry.
They're the same way.
Oh, no, but
And them call it
that's-
Luminati now. And them don't call it Lodge too.
Yeah.
The man walk the dead, you know.
So you believe that real?
Wow.
I want to see.
Wow.
Iniquity in here. Iniquity is real. The Bible having good and evil.
No, me and my friend up there, so Jerry. We
Pass the rum there, actually.
we work at
Open the rum, no, man.
with the black side place name again.
I'm not lucky.
And me
Every
tell
day.
them chose something and care and
Every
tell
day.
them chose something and care and kill him black.
Yeah.
The one who up the up at
Me
top
know.
of today, so man.
Yeah. Pepsi, open the Pepsi. Hey, now my mother them days, you know. Our ghosts come for kill me. But they will fight Duppy, alright. My mother them fight
So how
those
you
ghosts.
fight up here?
Eh?
I mean, no.
Oh,
Cause bad blood, blood clot run Duppy, you have red clothes and...
But Jerry, me never. When me see them,
Them bloody. The rat near me, come out of the house.
Come out.
And the blood clot and Duppy run. Duppy afraid of blood clot in him.
Yeah.
So say blood clot now.
I mean, never.
Blood clot! Duppy run! Say the now say no blood clot, Duppy will kill you. Them dead. Iniquity Luminati.
Jerry, them in all in my house, them they enough me. I tell
Duppy
you.
in there?
Oh, you mean?
Duppy in your house, Jerry?
Yeah. And then yours too.
No, Duppy in my
Spaniard
house.
Duppy in there.
No, Duppy in my
Private
house.
Duppy in your house. Don't want to them when they're dead. Want to them when they're dead and fight the Spaniard and the
You are
English.
holy part dead in here, so.
Yeah, especially yes, sir.
In
Half of you.
so. Holy part dead.
Hey, me broke up your blood and get up spread your legs them and fuck them in. People pussy. They know what I do. You know see your people. I broke some part of your blood.
You out of there now?
Out of there, they want them pussy. Mary, I will come home for fuck. The one spice, I spread your leg. Your face, I don't want the leg.
For you, Jerry.
I want the girl. She not say period. Me and have rape a party.
Yeah.
All about. You know, jump, me no half jump, no that.
Yeah.
They want to the pussy. How my girl this? The goes to my blood clot back, she get leg spread. Spread them
Your
fast.
box. Your box too, man.
I get back to woman.
Jerry, same girl.
So Jerry, I love beat woman.
For pussy. Me love beat woman. The want my pussy.
So that means the Aquarius man love beat woman for
For
vagina.
pussy, yeah. Which vagina? Blood what? I get up the blood like them and people pussy and cocky sleep and big harder. I'm a rape and I'm for fuck. Cause I want to start out my soul. You understand? I suckle up in there. Unwind. What do you? How are you now? A demon. You have to come out of here. Spread the legs, man. The first two blood clot box your legs so quick like this. Big good in your belly. Way up in your stomach. Going to the home.
But Pinky say it not big. Pinky say it not big.
But it can't put it fit up in there. About 3 inches in her home. And when you see Pinky, she run from the hood. Pinky run and hide from big hood. But come on for me. Me no love man. It hot. It's a highly down.
So you think the man can beat woman for front?
Now your man, you not see a period, right? You know rave and drink and thing. And I say go up on the spice on the cake now. And you know what the fuck? Somebody, you're alien. You're falling angel. The first two blood clot box to get. And you run round better than a ball. But better spin. You know, don't tell me if I'm best spin is food in your belly. Way up in your blood. And you run round the bed. And say better spin. You go calm around, you have a ball and make nice. The cocky she want in her belly, man.
Say ever wake up on woman early morning and have sex with her?
What? How about there? 5 o'clock one nice. 4 o'clock one. 5 and 4 o'clock crow. It's at the 6 o'clock one, it's not too bad. Because I never come last night. Because my mind never up on the pussy. And I'm that thing about a stinking dead drunk. I'm not have to come. It's if I don't want to come. I think about a drunk or eat a dead dog. Dirtiness. And don't come.
So you think about 10 o'clock? Huh?
Yeah, night.
No, morning.
Morning, no man. That's an arms house, man. Go work. Sunlight. Go and go hustler on. I careless people are fucking there. And when night come in, I have no food to eat. All the time I go do I eat out and arms out. Man go hunt in the day. I do man want to stay home and say, hey man, I'm coming with the food. Let me tell you something. You see the blood clot. I straight for you to arms house, you know. Suck your mother arms house. Man hunt in the day. I'm bringing the food from cave man two at the sons and sons.
So how much woman you think a man can have?
Any amount for them feet.
So you don't think man for have one woman?
Yeah, through the years out there. And love one somebody. Remember this. Love one somebody. It never bought love from God. No man no want no bag woman. And the old people take it to people come near him out. He want house and land and car and business
So
place.
Jerry, in your days, you ever have threesome yet?
No. No, it's my love is private, you know. I mean, I'm my lady, I make love.
No, I mean like in your time when you're young.
No. And that's why some can't work. Because I'm going to start ball. Be good at reach her. I don't want the next time I see. When she a ball and a cocky.
So you never think about it before?
I see it, but I see my love is private. My love is different love from the love. From the idiot love. My love comes from God. And me and mom and look about fuck. I got private.
But
I don't want nobody see. Oh, but let me tell you something. I straight for you to blood. Hey, you see, me and my woman I make love and my private thing that. That privacy, you know. Me and my woman making love, nobody can enter that room but me and she. I don't want them to see my emotion and fear emotion. Suck your man get you one man to yourself.
Say ever make a girl go down for you yet?
Suck more?
Yeah.
Suck her pooper. And you suck your mama your pooper. And then you can suck. Go bite off my penis, I put my penis with my knife. Teeth is knife. Me get a sugar bite off man on the door. At Oakland Road. Sugar bite. Teeth is that. Where you go to prison? Archie. You think I'm going to be the knife? I will fight with the teeth them. The teeth them is knife. Me, I'm going to take my blood clot, put penis, put my knife
First you take out the teeth them.
Which teeth them?
First you take out the teeth.
What kind of teeth?
Out her mouth.
I first
you
hear that.
No.
Yeah, hear word. But suck your mama and your papa. Well, fuck and get it. Nobody think about me. I fall. Every time the whole only locks like a barrel, you know. Me nah give my God for fornication. Moses, Isaac, Jacob, Med Shelley. You see my God, them living on me, them. Med Shelley leg. Elijah. You see my God. Hey, I'm doing it. My God, they will kill you. They got that Moses, they got that Isaac, they got that Abraham, they got that. Hey, this is some of the world people, you know.
So, Jerry, why you not live with that woman?
Why am I live with that woman?
Ever think of living with that woman?
Hey, they comes and goes.
So, I think in a year stage, you should have a woman settle down with it. You always cook a food.
Pinky na just come over there. Now you run a Pinky. You run my blood clot woman, you know.
Why?
I never know. Me that woman with there, Pinky, you forgot. And all around there on Pinky case, and she just get vexed and go away.
Me make it, don't do that here on social media, don't do that.
I only run them a woman from me.
Jerry, stop it. Because
You on social media and TikTok and Pink what? My woman ain't have so much publicity with me.
Jerry, you're too
I
alive.
call up her name and she stop see me. You and Pink what? Social media TikTok. I only run my one for me and take me over and establish me to the world. That the last time I was there 5 years now, 5 and a half. She said, Jerry, you want pussy? She run me. No pussy. She come back and give me pussy. I'm in a fuck for about 5 years. I'm add it up. Me no fuck. Me not get no fuck. The whole of uno. China boy, but I said I got for fuck, you know. China boy, social media.
Pinky left you from that. Pinky
No,
left.
sir. Pinky never left me.
And I me make Pinky left you.
Yes, social media and TikTok. The whole blood clot that uno run a woman. I have me spend out over the whole world. And I give me idiot money.
So you think you want to have sex with somebody?
I mean, for 5 years, I don't see fuckish. Something wrong with you, you know?
So you feel fuckish?
Right now,
So you want me to get one girl for you?
a good girl, and she don't have no years. So, me don't run in for things, so, you know.
But Jerry,
Me don't run in for big pussy girl, tight pussy girl. Me don't run in, analyze and start it out. Wow.
Push you on a pump.
If the clutch is even big, me rim it, you know. If you have hole for big. But when the girl tell me say hole for big, me not respond if you want a big hole. Because rim that and some land and sentence
Me
split the gritty.
not believe say no woman have big hole.
What?
I don't see yours.
Pussy hole bigger than cocky. The baby a come out and go baby big. And we want blood clot pound. Pussy hole is bigger than wood, you know. Pussy hole.
So why you rim it? What kind of rim you gonna rim it?
She fuck, she a regular fucker. She a regular girl and she take good enough. I mean, it's a tight pussy lady. And girl who have tight pussy, I'll tell her something. She have the knee glide. I'm too interested in a young girl, you know. Because, you know, the pussy cut out.
For me feel like someone sleep with you. You sleep with me?
Yeah, man. I hear a man problem that they don't ask about a man. So if you have a boyfriend and you want to sleep and take the good, do it in your clothes.
Yeah, but for me, I give you peace, so I don't want nobody know. So you got to talk back?
You're mad. You're mad, girl. I would have never go. No girl let me fuck.
But Jerry, you can't keep your mouth.
I assume, you know. She assume about her blood clottings and come and dictate them to me. I like my cigarette.
Well, I know, Jerry, but I can't keep
No
your mouth.
response to that what you're doing, you know.
So,
It's the whole of blood clot, you know. Me, I go, because if I'm not happy, you know, can't get no sound out of me, you know. So me, I live my life, and I respond. I tell you something, China boy, social media, pink one. I respond to you, know. Bella, Una are the things.
I not do nothing with them.
Yes, you and them.
Jerome.
You love call blood clot Herod name, you know. Now you love call Herod name, so. Him rule under violence. You go and call up him blood clot, you get a box. No want a Roman name, master. Because them are evil. Go and chat to them, no. You can talk to them too, no. I go for a song and sing like come home and go sing.
You go sing?
Yeah, I go sing. You tell them I want to sing a hit song.
So Jerry, I really need to bring you to the studio and go lock up the car.
You know,
go lock up the
I'm not
house.
moving. I'm not going to no blood.
I bring you to the studio.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not saying, well, take me get a dozen song, you know. I'm not hear them. Me get a Bella Zanda. She run out of the river. She run the river. Jump down the cave, bend up her back like a walk.
You have to go work for your voice. I think
my
you do poem.
Poem?
Yeah.